So I use some zip ties to get the evaporator out of the way. The condenser, sorry. And intercooler and the fan. So now you have room to slide out the radiator. It goes out to the bottom, so it slides from here. I loosened it just to have some wiggle room. And over here you have the same. I don't know if you can see it. Right here. And you have to build some old parts. Wait, yeah. That's the old one. So you see it's cracked in the middle. It was leaking behind the attachment for the intercooler. This is a new one. You have to build some some parts over. So some retainers for screws, retainer for a hose, here's some, and the rest is new. And those little plastic vacuum line holders. Comes with new bushings, and to get it out to the bottom you have to loosen the supports. There's one on the left and one on the right. The same. Very rusty indeed. Just loosened this. It's pretty easy. Just have some playroom. It's pretty straightforward. Really easy. Lift off the cover here. Just loosen the screws. Just pull it like this with a plastic fork. You can loosen it. And I cut off something of the bumper because the plate was gone. It was hanging loose, so I will fix it later. But if it really hangs in the way, it's just a piece of plastic. Just cut it off and fix it with some screws, with some bolts, whatever. So except from that, a little leakage from the thermostat housing, but not too much. And there's a tube, if you can see it there, needs to be replaced, but it doesn't leak enormously. The main leak was here, and I suppose there will be other 1300 diesels who will have the same problem. That's it for today.